Crazy Rich Asians premiered Tuesday night in Los Angeles, and the fashion on the carpet was crazy amazing. You see how I also did that? Yeah.
Yes.
In keeping with the theme of extravagance in the movie, the stars were dressed in millions of dollars worth of diamonds, couture gowns, and tuxedos. Lead actress Constance Wu dazzled the crowd in a silver sequined Ralph and Russo gown and had custom earrings created by Lorraine Swartz to match. And newcomer Henry Golding, who plays the leading man Nick Young, looked dashing in a light blue satin suit jacket designed by Tom Ford himself. It's got to be nice. This is Golding's first role as an actor, and here's what the rookie had to say about this crazy experience.
My whole life at the moment has been a Cinderella moment. So I'm just waiting for that sort of like pumpkin to explode, and it's going to be all over my face, and I'm going to wake up back in sort of my three-piece couch that I usually sleep on.
And rapper-actress Awkwafina looked gorgeous in a light pink gown with a hidden red bow in the back. And even though she rocked the sophisticated look on the camera, on the carpet, her character in the film is much more down to earth. She's like a college BFF. But she revealed why she didn't mind leaving the high fashion to the others while filming in the Singapore and Malaysian heat.
So everyone was sweating in a nightgown or whatever they call them. I was breathing, girl. I was breathing. I loved it. Who's hot now? Who's hot now? Not me, because I'm wearing pajamas. It's tight.
I love her. Crazy Rich Asians hits theaters on August 15th. Now moving on to this, let's take a look.